Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to fix 456 not showing on TikTok. So the first stage you have to take is to log into your TikTok account. The next thing you have to do is to click at the top right corner of your home page. You see the search option there. You just have to click on it. Clicking on it, you just have to search for Squid Game 2. So clicking on it, you just have to click on users. Now you just have to select a particular frame or profile that has 456 on it. So let me click on the third user here and click on the profile picture. So you're going to see the option to get frame. You just have to click on it if you are looking for how to get your frame or how to fix your frame on your TikTok. Just click on it. It's going to go straight to your, it's going to take you to the Squid game where you have to play. I'm going to drop the link of video on how to play the game, and then if after getting the frame and you want to go out from, you want to delete it from your TikTok, what you have to do is this. You just have to go to your profile. So on your profile, you just have to click steadily on your profile. Clicking steadily on it, you just have to click on change photo. Clicking steadily on it, you just have to click on change frame, then click on none. So when you click on none and click on save, it's this 456 option will automatically be deleted from your TikTok profile. So guys, that is it on how to fix 456 not showing on TikTok. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so let's get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.